Volkswagen Passat front bumper. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And also hit that like button. If you guys need any pre-paint auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-paint auto body parts source. Alright, so we're going to start off on the side of the bumper first. We're going to have to turn the wheel that way so we can get into those bolts right there, or screws. They're going to be like a T20. So you're going to need one of these things. T20. And it looks like a star looking thing like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So there's gonna be 1, 2, and 3. I'm missing one up here, so I have this one. Went the wrong way. Alright, so it looks like that. That exact same bolt is up top also. So let me show you guys that. You guys see up top right there, the exact same bolt. So let's take that one off. Same exact bolt right there. I'm going to do that on the other side also. My next step would be to go underneath the vehicle. And there's usually like a cover over here. But on this vehicle it doesn't have the cover. So usually when you look at that part, you're going to have to follow the bottom all the way to the other side and you'll see bolts coming off, or push pins. But let me show you how the bumper, the bottom of the bumper actually looks. Okay, so on the new bumper, as you guys can see right here, is indicating that there is a cover that was attached to this. So with that attachment, you're gonna notice that it's like a black piece that's gonna go in the bottom, and just follow that black piece and you should see some push pins or bolts to take off. Alright guys, so if you guys come on top of the bumper right here, you're gonna see these same thing, T25 bolts. You're gonna have to take those off. That's gonna be for the grill area. Alright, so let's see. This is my first time doing this, and let's see. I think it's only right here. So let's try this one out. That's one. So I'm just following it around to see if there's any more of these screws. So I see one here. There was one right here, but that one's gone. There's another one right here. And I believe the bumper should come right off, so let's try it out. Okay, so now that I removed the top part, and remember the bottom part, you guys have to kind of look at it and see if there's any more bolts down there. But this one doesn't have the grill area, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to pull it off and see if that works out. While I'm pulling, I'm feeling a snagging on the top part of the bumper right here. So I believe you can pull this off. There you go. Alright, so what I noticed on this bumper right here, you see these clips. I believe you just have to pull the bumper out and that should release the clips. Go on one side. Keep it there. If you guys have fog lights, make sure you don't pull it out too fast because you don't want to rip the wire. Pull it out slowly like how I did it, and then once you guys pull out the bumper, go behind it and unhook that fog light harness. Gotta hold on to it. Off like that. Alright guys, I would show you how to take off the accessories, but unfortunately this car doesn't have any accessories. So for the most part, guys, if you guys look at our previous videos on how to remove bumpers, we'll show you guys how to remove accessories, but they're pretty much the same thing. There's usually clips right here. Just disconnect, you push out, and then they'll take it off. Or there's like little screws that you need to take off. But let's go ahead and put this bumper back together. Unfortunately, this bumper still won't have the accessory because the customer didn't want the accessory, so we're just gonna put the bumper back on. So actually on this one right here, guys, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually put this on. So again, it's fairly simple to put on. It has these clips right here. All you do is line it up with the holes, like right there, and you push down on it. The way to remove it is the same thing, but you push up and you kind of unclip it from these little clips right here. Alright, the other one didn't fit correctly because it was the wrong one. So that's why you always want to make sure that the clips itself are lined up with the holes before you start jamming it in. So let's see if this one fits. The other one, it was a 2016 year, and we did a 2015 year. So just 1 year off made a huge difference on these grills. So you guys can see, whenever the grill is all lined up, you can just go ahead and hit it down with your hand and it should pop into place. So we can go ahead and install this bumper right here. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. So we're gonna push the middle piece in place first because it's just held down by those clips so the bumper doesn't fall off. Alright. You gotta push it a little bit hard because it's kind of snug on there because it's a brand new bumper. Plus I had an issue with the headlight right there that you saw me kind of push it down. It had to go underneath the headlight. So now it's all clipped in. That's how it's supposed to look like. This one's broken, but as you can see, it's clipped in there. So that's what you want to see. So now we're gonna go ahead and go to the side. There's a bracket, so put it on top of the bracket to push it in. So this customer right here didn't want to change out the bracket right here. So I'm just doing my best to go ahead and kind of slide it in there. It kind of goes on, but it's going to go on if you had a brand new bracket. But I'm going to go ahead and put this part on and it should be good to go.
1 hour later.
So again, there's like there's one up here, there's another one right here, 2, 3, there's like 4 of them. Alright, we're going to do it on the other side. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the grill. So this one, all you have to do is slide it in place. So it's gonna go underneath this little latch right here. So it's lined up, but because of this accident right here, because of the accident right here, and it's pushing it this way, now the headlight is causing me not to line up correctly. So I may have to modify the headlight now. Is all the bolts line up? This one. Okay. Now screw this one in place. For you guys, it shouldn't be that hard. Alright, so the other thing I would have done in this car would be put the underpiece back on so you can hold it securely, but this one doesn't have it, and also doesn't have the fog light covers. For the most part, it looks a lot better than what it came in with. So again, you know, some customers can't afford all of it, which is fine. You know, fix what you can fix, and then we'll fix the rest later on. So this is what the customer's gonna do. So we're gonna fix like the fender, the headlight. She needs a fender liner, and she pretty much needs a hood too, right there. But that's okay. She's wanting to get the bumper fixed, which is fantastic. It looks great. Color match is fantastic, so she should be a happy customer. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2015 Volkswagen Passat front bumper. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification, and also hit that like button. If you guys need any pre-paint auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-paint auto body parts source.